let's talk about your individual fundamental picks in this market. And you bullish on something like HDFC Life. Take us through the rationale behind it. What sort of returns do you expect from this company in the next 1 to 2 years?
Insurance, we feel, is a multi-decadal opportunity, and I'm not even talking about 2-3 years. I'm talking about a good 20-year kind of thing. And add these insurance companies to your portfolio. The insurance sector at this juncture is exactly where, let's say, banking industry, let's say 20-25 years back. As of now, insurance is highly under-penetrated, and then still it's barely at 2-3% kind of penetration. Long way to go in terms of increasing the unit holders. Meaning thereby, I think we can expect enormous opportunities in the insurance sector. And HDFC Life, SBI Life and ICICI Pru, 3 listed life insurance companies. Out of that, understandably, HDFC Life has the blessing of FIs and the high quality investors because of the tag of HDFC. We believe it will continue to enjoy its premium in terms of the valuation. And if you can use the dips to buy, keep accumulating. Don't build the insurance portfolio for you. Build it for your kids. I think it's one of those huge wealth creation opportunity. Don't miss the fun.
Okay, the next one is on RBL Bank, and we've seen some outperformance coming in from a couple of these banking stocks, be it RBL, DCB and Federal Bank, at least in the recent past, post the Q4 numbers. But why RBL Bank?
RBL Bank, I think the clear outperformance that you have witnessed and that you are referring to came interestingly after the IL&FS episode. After the IL&FS episode in the last week of August, almost entire banking and NBFC sector was beaten out of shape, whereas RBL Bank was a clear outperformer. And there is a reason, because the total exposure of RBL Bank to IL&FS is barely 15 crores, that to cash collateralized instrument. So that means when the IL&FS had a 90,000 crores of exposure to the entire banking system, if RBL Bank can able to escape the exposure like IL&FS, that speaks volumes about I think at least the underlying diligence standards. One of the reasons that the smart money moved to RBL Bank was that the lack of exposure to IL&FS given a great amount of comfort. The stock has already rallied good 40%, almost from 500 rupees to 700 rupees post that IL&FS episode. Just now it's taking bit of cool off, bit of profit taking, and you can use these dips to start accumulating. We feel RBL Bank has great story building up, and I think it is one of those stocks. It makes a lot of sense to be in the portfolio. Just that you should be using the dips to buy.
Okay. Let's just finish your fundamental picks. Then the last one you have is on L&T. Do you expect any sort of revival with regard to the capex that one has been waiting from the private sector? For the first 5 years of tenure of Modi government, frankly, L&T has not been a great performer in terms of the stock performance. It has been a great laggard, and then it has frustrated the investors. But having said that, we believe in the second tenure of Modi government, there is a major chance that infrastructure revival may receive huge amount of thrust, and L&T will be a clear torchbearer or a clear leader in terms of to take advantage. So, and also after many years, I think first time management has spoken in the shareholder friendly tone when they referred about buyback about 6-7 months back. That's a different matter that somehow it couldn't get the clearance from SEBI, but we believe at least that shareholder friendly tone has come back. We believe the dips can be used to buy. It is available at very inexpensive valuations. We feel upsides are there, and it's a clear proxy on the infrastructure theme, and about 3 lakh crores of order book in hand is giving enough comfort for the revenue visibility for the next 3 years, and it's making of a good wealth creator in the second tenure of Modi government.